wearing a face mask this morning because I woke up and I felt like my skin needed a little bit of love since I haven't masked it in a minute. But I want to show you guys the mask that I use. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a mud mask, but then it doesn't dry your face, which is like something that I'm learning that is actually better for my skin. So you leave it on for like 10-20 minutes and then you rinse it off. So I'm gonna go rinse it off right now because it's been on for like I think around 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna apply a sheet mask. Let me take you to the bathroom and show you the sheet mask and this mask that I'm using right now because I love both of them. I also decided to wash my hair. I'm not gonna style it or anything, but I decided to wash it because I haven't washed it in like 6 days I think, and I won't have time over the weekend to wash it, so I'm like, let me wash it right now. I'm also watching a makeup tutorial because I love YouTube videos. I really do love YouTube videos, and I love Janelle.
Make that line straight, and I just straighten them out, and then you can make this better, this line. Okay, so I finished the wing liner on both sides.
So this is the face mask that I put on this morning. It's the Goddess Skin Clay Mask from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's amazing. I'm a big fan. I'm also gonna put this sheet mask on right now when I rinse the clay mask off my face. So now that the mask is on, I'm gonna do my hair. I'm just gonna slick it back. Okay, so hair done, sheet mask on. I got a package and I opened the door like this. I think the courier driver was afraid of me. Anyways, so I just got 2 more packages. Is this package day today? So I wanted to unbox everything that I got just because I thought it might be fun to add this to the vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna start with this package from YSL. I'm so excited. They sent me their Libre perfume, and this is the perfume. It's all over social media, and I'm really excited to open this up and display it in my room. But I also love the bag, so I'm planning to shoot it for content. And then from Fenty Beauty, I basically got the Cheeks Out colors, and they sent so many. So excited to play around with them because the colors are so vibrant. So these are the shades that they sent, and I really want to create a Fenty Beauty makeup tutorial, so if you guys would like that, let me know. This is the brush, and then they sent me 2 of their bronzers in these shades. And I love these cards. I always keep them because I'm like, it's Fenty girl. And then from Hair Addict, they sent me a diffuser head, which is so good. And then they sent me a microfiber towel. You can never have enough of these, and the color is pretty, so maybe I can shoot content with it if I'm wearing like a cute little blue top. And then they sent me some information about hair. They are currently promoting natural hair and wearing your hair natural during quarantine, so yeah. And then from Miss Patable, they are a hair boutique that carries different hair products, and then they also do makeup, and they sent me a nice little card, and then they sent me some products. They sent me this. I'm not familiar with the brand, but it's a cleansing foam. And then they sent me my favorite Bouclame curl conditioner and the curl cream. I'm gonna link them below in case you guys are looking for hair products, because Bouclame are so good, but they're based in the UK and they don't deliver to the UAE, so it's good that they stock them at this shop. And then they sent me a few makeup products. So they sent me these. Again, I'm not familiar with this brand. And then they also sent me this lipstick. And then lastly, from Balm Essence. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but they sent me like the loveliest card. because we did the Cosmopolitan podcast together. I did it with Angela, she's the owner, and this is so sweet that she sent me some products after we did the podcast together. And she basically sent me all these products that I'm gonna share with you guys later after I try them. Organic hair perfume, hair oil. These are really cool. It says organic organic 2-in-1 conditioner. Okay, I'm gonna have to unbox these properly later on, but this is really cool. And then they sent me another package, and then this one is for Eid. This is so cute. But in this one we got ooh, this is exciting. And then there's a serum and hair oil, and what is this? Oh, it's a perfume. This is really nice. I can't wait to try all these products out. Let's make breakfast together. I am really craving French toast, so I'm gonna make a healthy version of it where I basically use oat milk instead of regular milk, and then I use an egg, mix that together with like a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar, and then soak the bread in that, put some butter on the pan, fry the French toast, and then put agave syrup on top instead of regular syrup. So I'm going to take you guys to the kitchen and show you how I do my French toast so I can have my breakfast. I'm starving. Flowers are dying. It's a sad day. So now I'm editing today's vlog that's supposed to go up today, and I also took some pictures yesterday that I want to upload on my feed, so I'm just gonna sit here and edit them on Lightroom. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I have gotten into like creating and like making my feed look really cohesive and like organized, and I use Planoly to like plan out my feed. So these are the pictures that I edited today and I organized them. So I think today I'm gonna post these two, and then I'm gonna post these over the weekend, and I'm just so happy with like how they're looking. I'm so excited that I have like new pictures that I can use today and over the weekend. I took pictures of the perfume bottle, the YSL one. Wait, let me show you guys. I took these pictures of the YSL bottle because it's so beautiful, and I think I'm gonna use this one today, and then I'm gonna use this another time. But then this picture Rena took, she's so good. I love this picture so much. And then I took this picture yesterday at their apartment. And then these are the pictures that I'm gonna post today. I took this one to post another time as well. Okay, you guys, had to throw out my beautiful flowers because they were dying. So goodbye flowers. Welcome back, artificial leaves. These are really cute. They're from IKEA in case you were wondering. But anyways, as you guys can see, it's 2:30 and it's time for lunch. I just made myself some pasta with cherry tomatoes the same way that I did it last time I vlogged this. I think I made it for dinner, and then there's like a salad underneath just because I'm running out of groceries and I'm just like working with leftovers right now. And I cut up some mangoes so I can eat them right after I eat my beautiful pasta. This is just garbage. The cleaning lady is over right now, so she's cleaning and she's gonna take my dead flowers out. Goodbye, dead flowers. I really need to do something about my nails. This is not okay. So the vlog is saved and uploaded. I'm working on the second video. I haven't finished, but I'm just gonna take my laptop with me in case I get time to edit. I am going to Huda's and Rena's house and we're just gonna watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians. We're gonna have a marathon. So yeah, this is my outfit. I'm just wearing obviously sweats, and I'm bringing my laptop with me, and then I also have microwavable popcorn so we can pop some popcorn and eat some food. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna bring the vlogging camera with me, and yeah, let's go. So you guys, I'm like finishing up my get ready with me video. Editing, and we're about to watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians when everybody's ready. I'm excited. I'm really excited. You excited to see Kim? Courtney needs to stop. I really can't deal with her. She stresses me out.
Oh my god.
And then Kylie goes like, yeah. Best hair award goes to Helena for the cutest hair ever. Girl, you know how badly I want to cut my hair like yours? Like so badly, I just want to shave it all off.
You can because you have
It's hot, it's hot. It really is hot. Why are you being antisocial?
I'm guessing Sean saw that blue check.
With your cute ponytail. Wait. Show them the inches.
Pick my #1.
You expect me to know what you're thinking or saying, and if not, you just attack me for it. And I get frustrated because I never want to hurt your feelings or do anything to offend you, but I seem to always offend you.
No, but we're all different, and we just need to accept each other for who we are. That's why when I'm talking about something that's frustrating me, that's my tone.
I really just want us to get over this weird stage that we're in right now. But I feel like nothing is fine, and I think
Popcorn popping. Microwave popcorn hits. It slaps.
Slap baby.
Slaps. Give her the booty.
You want the booty?
Here's some.
I was just expressing that Kylie not going to Paris and how my mom's freaking out and crying and begging us. She's so used to me and Chloe showing up, especially for me.
Do it already. Don't fucking use it. Stop. Okay. Stop. You do. Okay. Go your own way.
Let's see with the popcorn. So we're eating both ice creams because we can't decide which one to focus on. Why should you limit yourself to one when you can have two, right?
And so we should try a little bit harder to communicate and then just like realize that we're all different and that's okay.